You see a perfect setup on the chart. Your analysis aligns. Your rules say go. But you freeze. Your finger hovers over the button. What if it fails? The doubt creeps in. You hesitate. The opportunity slips away. This is not bad luck. It's a lack of confidence. And without confidence, even the best strategy fails. Or you finally enter the trade, but now your heart races with every candle. You zoom in, refresh the screen, pray for it to go your way. Please hold. Please go up. You are not trading. You are gambling on hope. This emotional roller coaster is exhausting. It clouds judgment. It turns winners into losers. The root cause is simple. You do not trust your edge. You have not proven it to yourself through rigorous testing. But imagine trading with unshakable confidence, where every entry feels like a calculated step. Every loss is just data. Every win is expected. That is the transformation backtesting delivers. In this video, I'll show you how to backtest properly, the boring work that builds unshakable confidence. You'll learn to turn data into proof, fear into focus, and guessing into a profitable machine. Stay with me. This is how you become consistently profitable. Backtesting is your time machine. In one weekend, you can simulate 5 years of market data, trade hundreds of setups, experience crashes, booms, sideways, without risking a dime. You gain years of wisdom in days. That compressed experience is the foundation of confidence. Does a boxer enter the ring without sparring? No. He punches the bag 10,000 times first. Backtesting is your sparring. Live trading is the ring. Train in the gym of history. Build the muscle memory, so when the real fight comes, you are ready, not guessing. When you backtest 100 trades, the live market feels like a movie you've already seen. You know the twists. You know the endings. No surprises. No panic. Just execution. That familiarity kills fear and builds the quiet confidence of a pro. Here is how you do it right. Open TradingView. Activate bar replay. Choose a random past date. No peeking at the future. Hide the right side of the screen. This forces real-time decision-making without hindsight bias. No cheating. Just honest testing. Play the candles one by one. Treat it exactly like live. Mark your entry when the setup appears. Set your stop-loss logically. Set your target based on your rules. No adjusting after. Simulate the full cycle. Win or lose. Do not just look. Log it. Create an Excel sheet. Track date, entry price, win or loss, risk-reward ratio. You need 100 samples minimum. This is not optional. This data turns guesswork into proven probability. Numbers do not lie. Most people backtest for 10 minutes, take 3 trades, get bored, and switch to Netflix. This is why they stay poor. They want the confidence without the grind. But shortcuts lead to dead ends. Commit or quit. It is boring. It is repetitive. It sucks. That is why it works. If it was fun, everyone would be rich. Embrace the suck. 48 hours of grind builds a lifetime of confidence. The pain is temporary. The edge is forever. After 100 trades, analyze your numbers. Win rate, 45%. Risk reward, 1 to 3. Now you know you are profitable. You do not hope. You do not guess. You have mathematical proof. That knowledge is the death of fear. Next time you trade live and take a loss, you will not care. You will think, that was just loss number 14 out of 100. The math is on my side. The data becomes your armor. Fear bounces off. While others are guessing, hoping, panicking, you are executing statistics. You know your probabilities. That is an unfair advantage. It turns trading from a gamble into a business. Stop trading with real money until you have backtested 100 trades. Prove your edge. Build the confidence. Do the work, or stay stuck in hesitation forever. Confidence comes from competence. Go build it, now. Remember, the more you sweat in training, the less you bleed in battle.